Okay. Well, this is the other side. It's quite a bit different than over the garage. I'm not sure which video you'll see first. Probably the garage. This is closer to the exterior. We're missing some insulation at the top. We got electric cables that are too close. We're missing our switch cover plate. Coming along here, we've got, I thought I saw something. So what we got here, this is the original insulation to the attic. That's the original attic insulation right there. Got kinked duct. Sagging duct on the ground. Looks like we got some mice crawling in here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that right there. Yee-haw. Hello, Mr. Mouse. What are you doing, Inspector? Oh, just hanging out. Well, come on up. It's kind of warm, though. Yeah, it is. This is the original. This is the original rock wool insulation. What else we got here? PEX plumbing. Good enough. This is the gas line. There's a gas line going, oh, goes somewhere. I think I found another indoor air handler. We got some bad insulation. You know what I'm not seeing? I'm not seeing soffit baffles. Not seeing soffit baffles. Kink duct, kink duct, kink duct. Missing covers. There we are, look at that. Can I zoom in? Missing our junction box cover. Just like that. Huh. Zoom out, I always forget to do that. Coming along, you're supposed to have an unobstructed 24-inch platform over here to the air handler. Doesn't look like we got it. Doesn't like it's here, gang. Undersized purlins, we kind of expected that. Water stains, we expected that. Kink duct, look at it going through that purlin like. Look at it going through that purlin. Hillbilly home inspection. Sagging. Hang on, you get to crawl with me. Gas line doesn't have a sediment trap going to the furnace. Is that a flexible B? If it is, it's not supposed to have tape on it. Primary drain line. Hey, nice, good trap on that one. Yeehaw! I like that. It's awesome. Somebody's thinking about me. It needs to be insulated though. No care and use manual. Air filter's over here. Let's just keep going. Got any insulation there? Not much. I'm looking for an indoor air handler in here somewhere, but there's a flue of some sort with tape on it. There's a flue on it with tape on it. Another gas regulator, but I'm just not seeing another indoor air handler up here. It suits me fine. Suits me fine. Filter enclosure. There we go. Couple of those fancy electronic ones. High efficiency polarized. Spaceair.com. I don't have a size on that. Got tape on it. Got tape on it. That tells us something. Okay, 880 dB. The evaporator coil. I don't know. Refrigerant C note below. Don't have a note below. What does that mean? Okay. Stubbed out. That's okay. Not a lot to see here until I pass out.